Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records' newly released album Soca Gold 2019 made its debut in the #1 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The compilation, released on June 21, features some of the hottest songs from Carnival season on Disc 1, including Savannah Grass by Kes the Band, Mark by Faye and Lyons, and Brace Up by Michelle Montano. Disc 2 is the Soca Gold 2019 Mega Mix by Team Soca DJ Spice. This is the first Soca Gold compilation to top the chart since 2017. On Saturday, Soca Gold went live in Montego Bay at the Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records.
You know, we're taking soca to the world. Soca Go Live 2019. What happens is you have a whole load of artists that come out of Carnival, and then really what happens is after the big hits come, the other songs don't necessarily carry on. So that really is the mission, and that's what tonight is all about. You know, introducing the whole Soca Gold brand, expanding it, and you know, we hope that the people will like it, listen to all the songs on the album, and download and stream it.
The event featured performances from soca artists James P., Tizzy, Tony Prescott, Ricky T, and Alison Hines. Dancehall artist Razor B was recently honored at the Durham Caribbean Festival organization in Ajax, Canada. Razor B received the award for International Reggae Artist and Entrepreneur of the Year for 2019. The Durham Caribbean Festival organization is celebrating its 9th year of appreciating Caribbean and multicultural diversity and synergy throughout Canada. The event had a week-long set of activities, including the coveted awards ceremony. Razor B emerged on the dancehall scene back in 2015 after a decade of indie projects. In 2016, he earned 3 YVA nominations and won Summer Song of the Year for Hot Up. Now, recording artist Anthony B has announced that he will be releasing a new album dubbed King in My Castle. On Sunday, he posted this video on his Instagram account, showcasing his on-stage performance of the title track in Mumbai, India. He also shared a preview of one of his songs that will be featured on the album, the track titled First Time I Fall. Anthony B is known for hit songs like Fire Upon Rome, Freedom Fighter, and others. Back in 2017, the artist released a track with the same name as the new album's title, King in My Castle. The track has over 4 million views on YouTube. Anthony B is currently on tour, which will continue until October, with scheduled stops in Malta, the Reunion Islands, Austria, Germany, France, Sweden, China, among others. Earlier this year, Anthony B added author to his resume as he published his book titled Secrets to a Man's Heart. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.